Hi guys, I'm just doing this quick video to show you how you can use Amazon to shape up your funnel. So this is one of the funnel hacks I'm using for every clients that I have when I'm building funnels. But not just for funnels, you can also use Amazon to get ideas for your next headline, for your next copy, for products. If you're helping your client to come up with the next product that you guys want to sell. For next blog, if you want ideas for next blog, you can always go to Amazon and look for ideas. So let me show you guys how to do it. So let's say right now I just closed a big project, a huge project, and it's funnel building, and I'm working on the funnel, of course. And the product is Kefir Complete product. So let's say I'm trying to look for some ideas, and I actually have my worksheet in here. I call it Amazon worksheet. So I'm trying to look for the lead magnet ideas, tripwire ideas, core offer, no, because we already have our core offer, copy and benefit ideas, which is something important, right? So let's say we're working for a Kefir product. So what we're gonna do, guys, is type in Kefir complete, let's say, and always start with books. Okay, go with books. So as you can see, these are the Kefir related books in Amazon. So I'll just look for something really nice. Let's say how to make Kefir, the complete guide, water Kefir mastery, the complete Kefir guide. Okay, I like this one. Why? It says the complete Kefir guide to health, weight loss, and beauty. It's you can use that as a headline, right? The Mediterranean diet, quick and authentic recipes. Is that all? Yeah, Kefir complete. Let's try just Kefir. Alright, let's just check out the first book that we saw. So it says the complete Kefir guide to health, weight loss, and beauty. So this could probably be our headline. So let's put that in here, copy and benefit ideas. And we might want to put that in here as well in our lead magnet ideas, because we can actually use this title or this statement to come up with a report or to come up with a guide that provides complete Kefir guide to health, weight loss, and beauty. So I could tell my client that, hey, these are some lead magnet ideas that I was able to gather. So let's check. Oh, this is actually my client, Chef Gayleen. Yeah, this is she. So this is her product. So this is probably a good one. This is gonna be our trip. This is gonna be our lead magnet. So we'll offer a complete Kefir guide as our lead magnet to get people to opt in, right? So this is it. All right. Anyways, let's try to look for something else. A fun and flavor guide. That's so funny. This one's a good idea as well. Kefir recipes for breakfast. Kefir ultimate guide. Let's check this out. This is my clients. No. So, fast and easy Kefir diet recipe. So I think I have it in here. Fast and easy Kefir diet recipe. So we could probably come up with another lead magnet just to test it out. Maybe I know some kind of recipes. So you can check the book out to get something else. Let's say you might also want to check out the content or the introduction part of the book that you've chosen. Let's say for this one, the content. So they're discussing the bacteria and obesity, probiotics, and reduction in body weight. Do you need to lose weight? This is probably a good headline to use. Health benefits of Kefir. So these are the things that you might want to include on that I might want to include on the sales page, since this is all about kefir. So the benefits of kefir, I might want to discuss that, but you can see that on this page, right? Because they're just giving some preview. This guy is really famous. Do you notice, guys, that you're seeing this guy's face on almost any landing pages, especially in funnels? It's so funny. This guy is really famous. Alright, so by reading this book, you will discover connection between probiotics and obesity, amazing benefits of kefir, how to make homemade kefir. So we can say that we can include on our sales page that by getting our complete kefir guide, they will learn the amazing benefits of kefir. They will learn how to make homemade kefir. They will get the strategies of losing weight with kefir for obese people, right? Or you could probably have your own niche, like you can promote losing weight with kefir for obese people, right? That's a good idea as well. And some great tips for losing weight and avoiding mistakes with kefir. So that's a pretty good idea. Anyways, let's check this out. Kefir Ultimate. This is my clients, okay? Alright, so Kefir Ultimate Guide to Making Live Organic Milk Kefir. Okay, so kefir for maximum health benefits. That can be used as, for our benefits and ideas. Benefit ideas, we could use that. So I'll check that out. I'll copy it. Alright, so if you want to search for other things related to kefir, let's say we have our Tripwire product, and we have our lead magnet that can probably an ebook, free PDF, free report evolving in this particular headlines. And for a Tripwire ideas, let's say we want to look for other products. Sorry about the background noise, my sister is watching TV. Alright, so what you can do, guys, is just click here and look for other topics, look for other categories in Amazon. Let's say for men, kefir for men. No. CDs. That's something else. Cell phones and accessories. Kitchen, home and kitchen. Okay, so I got this one. Starter kit. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so we got this kefir fermenter. Alright, so initially if you're offering something product related to kefir, you might want to offer some related product, like for this one, kefir fermenter, right? This could be a Tripwire, right? And guys, you might want to check this out as well. Frequently bought together. So Amazon is so intelligent that they can gather data of the buyers and the customers, that they can say that most people na nagpurchase nitong kefir fermenter also bought this product and this product as well. So if you have a product, let's say you're offering, you're selling kefir fermenter, you might want to sell something related to this one, because for some reasons people who bought this is also interested in getting these two products. So you get your idea. Like you can use this like an upsell or a downsell, or you can probably use that as a bundle, right? So these are other good products as well related to Kefir, and this one as well. Customers who bought this item also bought, this product. So they want their nylon mesh strainer. That is actually a good one. So this milk Kefir starter kit. You might want to check this out as well, guys, because you can use this for your benefit ideas. So for my... I'm not sure if I'm making sense, guys. I hope I do, because this is one of really the hacks and strategies I'm using for building funnels. So let's say your benefits would be, this is great for beginners. It's a probiotic rich. It makes delicious kefir. It's much more affordable than store-bought kefir. You control what goes into your food. Something like that. Kefir probably is not a good example, but as I'm working with this one, so I figure I might as well use this as an example. So Kefir Colite Blue Kefir Fermenter Kit. Alright, so this is a kit. So they're offering this one and this one. Yeah, so you could probably use this as a core offer. Fermenter Kefir Fermenter Kit. This could be your core offer. So your core offer would be Kefir Fermenter Kit. Okay, so your core offer has a glass jar, strainer lid, juicer stick, and a user guide and a recipe booklet. So that could be your core offer. And your tripwire, we can say that your tripwire would be the clear glass jar for fermenting kefir, or kefir fermented reusable straws. And just make sure, guys, that for everything on your funnel, they are related to each other. Like if they get a recipe, your tripwire would be something related to the recipe, and your core offer would be something relevant to your tripwire and to your lead magnet as well. So guys, I hope I'm making sense. And if you want to check out other ideas for your product, just utilize these categories, okay? Because if you go to, let's say, software, there could be there's something nothing. How can I check for some supplements here? Let's say wine. No, because you can also use Amazon to look for niches, to look for a specific niche. Let's say you're into weight loss niche. You might want to niche down. If you want to offer that lose weight, whatever, to specific niche, like, right? So, and you might want to utilize Amazon again for that matter. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. I'm thinking about doing another video for funnels and for ads, maybe later today or probably tomorrow. But hopefully, if you need the worksheet, just let me know. If you need anything else, some tutorial that probably help you guys, let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Talk soon, guys. I don't know how to stop the video. Hold on.